thanks for drowning.
Our Joe Sam shows us how studies like this one are prompting action here in the Arkansas.
Well, I'm here at the YMCA of Northeast Louisiana, and you guys, they've been working really hard to get this letter, which is a grant that will allow up to 50 kids to get free swimming lessons this summer.
It's 50 underprivileged kids that we can give this grant to. What it is it gives them a scholarship so that we are able to teach them swim lessons. Some of those who are underprivileged who do not have access towards funds where they can take the regular swim lessons with us. So we've got 50 slots, and then we're also going to be getting into being able to have a little bit more, maybe a little bit on into the summer.
The National YMCA grant is targeting underprivileged kids from ages 5 to 13. It also opened up room in the budget to get equipment for anyone looking to become certified lifeguards. Now spots are beginning to quickly fill, but Mill says they will continue accepting applications throughout this month. In Monroe, Joe Sam, KNOE 8 News.
Yeah, get those applications in, all right. Thank you, Joe.